Who's heard of ARA-290? I had never heard of it before, and I've been in the pepper community for a long time. So when I heard about it, it definitely piqued my interest when I heard the words nerve pain, because I have had neuropathy for 10 years now, and I'm supposed to take gabapentin all the time, which I'm not a fan of, so I don't. But I have like low feeling in 4 of my toes on my right foot, and the pain sometimes is worse than others. And so you guys know, if you have followed me for any amount of time on this new account, that I'm all for a good pepper, and I fully believe in their powers to heal. ARA stands for acetic acid receptor agonist 290. This pepper has 2 amino acids that promote tissue repair and also reduce inflammation. And it does this without stimulating red blood cell production. It binds to those innate repair receptors. This is a small molecule peptide that activates the GPR81 receptors. I always end up forgetting those numbers. GPR81, yeah. Those play a huge role in tissue repair. They play a huge role in inflammation regulation and also collagen synthesis. It does so many incredible things, which is why I decided to try it. It accelerates tissue repair by stimulating cellular repair pathways to promote faster healing of the muscles and tendons, ligaments, connective tissue. It also enhances muscle recovery and growth. It improves mobility and function. It targets those hard to heal soft tissue areas, those with poor blood flow, you know the ones, or chronic injury that's difficult to heal. It also promotes collagen production. It encourages the production of that high quality collagen to restore and maintain strong tissue. All in all, this is one that you do not want to miss trying. Now, I just recently started it. Night 1, okay? Night 1. I felt the difference. Now, I go to sleep and wake up numb all the time, or I'll wake up with those really painful tingles all the time in my leg, the side where I have the neuropathy. And night 1, I didn't wake up at all with the tingles. And when I woke up where I normally have numbness on that side, it was barely numb. Like, I barely noticed it. Normally it's like it causes me not be able to step on my leg for a minute. So if that's something that you are struggling with, or any of that, anything that I spoke about here today, especially the nerve pain and the healing that we are looking for when we have nerve pain, because we're told that it's hopeless. So I don't think that's the truth. And so I encourage you to try it. There is some question about the recon of it. I know some people have made complaints about it being cloudy if they had non-buffered, or maybe it's buffered. I don't really remember. But I reconned mine with BAC water, and it was perfectly fine. Some people are saying they're reconning with BAC water, and what's the name of it? PBS, some kind of sanitary something. I don't even actually know what PBS is. So Mile High is having a sale right now going on into the 8th, 30% off with my code biohacker10. So now would be the time. Now would be the time to try something new. If you're already taking things, but you're like, I want to try this thing, now's the time. They do 8-tier testing at Mile High, okay? Their prices are pretty great, and with 30% off, you cannot go wrong. If you're looking for a different vibe, Perfect Peptide, also they do 8-tier testing. A lot of companies don't right now, and we really need that with all of these test batches coming back with unknown substances in them. Do not purchase from people and places that do not test completely. Please don't do it. It's not worth it. So Perfect Peptide, also you can have 30% off with my code TARA30, and you can look at both websites are great. Both companies are great. And then I have one more company who is very dear to my heart. I just love what they stand for. They also do the testing. Their prices are also good. The code is Biohacker10. They're not having a sale or anything at the moment, but they're there in case you want to take a look. Everybody has a different vibe that they look for, and so I want to give you your options. But like I said, Mile High Compound is having a sale. It ends on the 8th. Perfect Peptides, 30% off. Both companies, 30% off with my codes. And Steel Bison is in there because I love Steel Bison. I just love what they stand for, and I love their products. I love all of them. They're all my favorites. Anyway, take a look, okay? I'll also be bringing a couple more new peppers your way that I've personally brought into my life, and I am loving. All right, guys, have a good night. Like, follow, and share for more. And this is for entertainment purposes only. This is just for fun. None of this is real. I'm just talking because I want to talk. So I'm not a professional, and this is just me having fun. So don't take me seriously, TikTok.